Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung Refrigerator Freezer Door Gasket. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new freezer door gasket. The freezer door gasket seals up the freezer door. The manager to be changing it out if it's damaged and warm air is leaking in, causing ice to build up in the freezer. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the freezer door. Now that we have the freezer door open, we have access to the freezer door gasket. It's just pressed into a channel around the frame. So all you have to do is carefully pull the gasket out of the channel all the way around the door. Once you have the freezer door gasket out of the channel, you're going to carefully work it off the door. Once you have it off the door, we can pull it out. Here's the old freezer door gasket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before you put the new freezer door gasket on, you want to make sure you clean the channel up. Make sure you go around the whole door and get it all clean. To put the new freezer door gasket on, we're just going to line it up so the flat side is towards the inside. And just put it over the door frame. Once you have it lined up, we're going to start at one of the corners and we can push the rib into the channel. And once you get it started, you can work your way around the whole door. Once you get to the bottom, you can just reach on underneath the bottom of the door and go along and push it into the groove. Once you have the new freezer door gasket pushed into the channel, we can close the freezer door, plug it back in, and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.